Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best dent repair toolkit in this video? I will show you the top 3 best dent repair toolkit to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected PDR Paintless Dent Removal. Specifications: brand name, PDR. Origin, mainland China. DIY supplies, metalworking. Type, combination. Package, box. Application, car repair tool. Is _customized, yes. Size, none. The item number 2 is PDR Dent Repair. Specifications: brand name, PDR. Origin, mainland China. DIY supplies, metalworking. Type, combination. Package, box. Application, car repair tool. Is _customized, yes. Feature, PDR repair kit, auto dent pullers, suction cup, rubber hammer, line board, tool bag. On the top of our list at number 1 we have PDR Crowbar Paintless Dent Repair Tool. Specifications: brand name, PDR. Origin, mainland China. DIY supplies, metalworking. Type, combination. Package, box. Application, car repair tool. Is _customized, yes. Model number, Pry Tools. Size, none.